Hello everyone. I am going to discuss about loop. So what is loop or for loop? For loop is used when we need to repeat something specific number of times. So we can say it iterate over a sequence like string, list, tuple and dictionary. Or you said also we can say that a loop in Python is a way to repeat a block of code multiple times until a certain condition is made. Is made. So loop is of three types: for loop, while loop, and nested loop. But we will discuss only two loops: for loop and while loop. So let's do an example. Let's take an example for loop. So here I have written over an example for looping through a list. So first type I have to take a reference which is called item of type list, and here I have got some items which is of type list, and each item is of type string. Each item is string. See, within double quote, each item is string. Then I am going to use loop. So first let me print this list or print this item. So I'm going to print this, print items, then print it. So Python space loop dot py item. So here we get the output. Now I'm going to use or apply loop. So I should write here for item items and then column. This is a basic rule for loop, that we have to close this with column. Then we will print item, and we will get, let me comment this line because I don't need this. So okay, then now I'm going to print. So we will get rice, dal, paneer, egg one by one. So in this type we can use for loop very easily, but here we need to note that this print should be at some space, because if I go to backspace, if I print this, then this will give, let's see what it gives. Okay, then print. See, this is indentation error, expected an indented block after 4 statement or line 7. So basically it's work like this. Whenever we use for loop, we need to give a tab or space, and it should be here, because if we not give space, then it will give us error, indented block after 4. This error is called indentation error. So it is by default. Let me show you. If I back to this line, then when I will enter, then by default it came here. So let's print item. Okay, and now I can print. So here we got our list line by line. So as I said that a loop in Python is way to repeat a block of code multiple times until a certain condition is met. Until we got the last item from the items list, it will continue, and when we got the last item, it will end automatically. So here I give item for items. If I give only I, then will it work? Let's see. Yeah, it's working. We can give any number or any digit, anything else, anything we want, but this item should not match here. I can give x, y, z, a, b, c, d, anything. So next we will go, let's comment this first. We can use range also. So if I give a range, let's see, for I in range, for I in range, suppose I give 8, then what it will give? Print range, sorry, print I, it will print I, then it work. Let's see. Yes, we got the range starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we used loop, when I type here for I in items and then I give print I, this I will first assign the name, the item rice, and it will print rice. Let me show. See, rice. Then this I will assign the name, the item dal, then it will give output dal. Then again paneer will assign, then egg will assign, until the item will not, until it get the item, it will give output. We can do one thing, sorry, one more thing. Then if I give here a condition, if I equals, if I equals to paneer, if I equals to paneer, then print I. First let me comment this line, then first I have to delete all these things. Okay, now let's run the program. Let's see what we got. Python space loop dot enter. See, rice, dal, paneer. Here we got 2 times paneer because this this condition has satisfied. So let's move to the next topic, which is while loop. So let first I need to delete this. Okay, then I'm going to use while loop. So let's know what is while loop. So while loop, basically while loop is used when we don't know how many times we need to repeat something. It continues as long as a condition is true. So let's see here. When we need to use loop for a small number or for a small number of items, we can use for loop easily. But when we don't know, let's suppose in a crowd, we don't know how many people there are. So how we count or how we count them, then we need use to count. Then we need use to while loop, so that we can easily get the output. But if we use for loop, it will we need to know, or we need to know how many items are there, and it should be a limited number of items. So basically, when I code for this while loop, let's see, I gave a I took a reference count of type int. Here I give equals to 1, then I am going to use while loop. So simply we need to write while, then count, and I have given given a condition until 10 will come. It will give a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. Let's run the code. Here I have written print, so that we can get the output, and I want the output like this: count is count. So let's run the program. We got some error, python.py. Oh, sorry, python space dot py. Here we see count is 1, count is 2, count is 3. It was very easy because I have given here only 10. If I give a big number, let's do it, 10 to the power 10 to the power should be 15 to the power 23. Then will it give us output? Let's check. So I'm going to run this program. OMG. It is a huge number. Oh my god. Yeah, we can see this is amazing. So still counting. This is an amazing feature of Python. It can count up to any number. It will go on until the condition is true. So let's keep it for today. Thank you very much.